Okay, opening up the MVP award. What's going on? So, what's this? Wow, now you want a plaque. That's awesome. And bend a bit more. Loving that. Loads of cool stuff. Congratulations. This is the name badge. Cool. I'll wear that at an event or something. I'm sure. There's a lapel here. Magnetic pin. That is so cool. Honestly. And we get into this box. Oh, I don't get in here. Handshaking. And boom! Glass. That's just sophistication. Screaming at the box. Man, that's just thing beauty. Honestly. I didn't even know what to think when I was unboxing. And then it's the disc. So honestly, it's so cool. 2021 MVP Enterprise Mobility. Honestly, guys, I'm stoked. That was so cool. Just putting that disc on there, it's just emotion. I haven't read the envelope yet. Maybe there's cash in it. Maybe there wasn't. That's just so cool. Yeah, perfect moment. I had to record it in beauty. Just thanks everybody. Thank you everybody who's supported me on this journey and believed in me. You are awesome.